medical grade skincare at a medium ranged price. Isn't that exactly what we're looking for? It's what I'm looking for. So look no further than ImageMD. This is one of my all-time favorite skincare brands, and it is affordable and fabulous. And it's what I've been using. Let's get into this. Restoring Facial Cleanser is an exfoliating cleanser product. It contains a blend of glycolic, lactic, salicylic acids to effectively remove impurities and revitalize the skin. Aloe leaf juice and menthol are also included to leave the skin feeling refreshed. The product meets the standards for clean clinical skincare, and it does not contain parabens, phthalates, mineral oils, or artificial fragrances. Restoring Youth Serum is a reparative serum that features a blend of peptides, plant-derived stem cell extracts, and vitamin C to improve the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It has advanced doctor-developed technology that ensures optimal delivery of key ingredients to improve the appearance of fine lines, lost firmness, and uneven skin tone. It also has a stable form of vitamin C called tetrahexydecyl ascorbate, which is key to help visibly brighten the skin. Restoring Youth Repair Cream is a nightly repair cream that delivers a powerhouse blend of retinol, glycolic acid, and tetrahexydecyl ascorbate vitamin C to help improve visible signs of aging and brighten dull skin. It's designed by a plastic surgeon to offer clinical benefits at home, and it's powered by an advanced delivery technology to promote youthful, firm, and radiant-looking skin. Restoring Daily Defense Moisturizer is a hydrating and protective moisturizer with SPF 50. It provides broad-spectrum UVA, UVB protection and protects against daily environmental stressors. It has an ultra-sheer and lightweight finish, making it suitable for all skin types, including hyperpigmentation, aging, and environmentally damaged skin. The formula is reef-safe and free of parabens, phthalates, mineral oils, artificial fragrances, synthetic dyes, and there is no animal testing. The Max Neck Lift targets skin laxity, sagging, wrinkles, and creasing in the often neglected neck and décolleté. Its maximum concentration of skin-strengthening peptides and groundbreaking plant stem cells helps to uplift sagging skin, support elasticity, and define the neck and jawline. It improves the appearance of fine lines, crepey skin, and dryness. The ImageMD Skincare 4-part bundle system contains your AHA cleanser, vitamin C serum, retinol, and moisturizer with 50 SPF to be used every single day. This is a fabulous system. ImageMD is absolutely one of my all-time favorite skincare lines. It's very simple. There's 4 items. That's exactly what you need for great skincare. A cleanser, a vitamin C, a retinol, and a moisturizer with an SPF. You cannot go wrong with those 4 items. And if you want to give your neck a boost, the Max is absolutely fabulous. I use that faithfully twice a day. Please sign up for my newsletter at thebeautyshamanstore.com. There's a link down below, and you get insider deals, discounts, all kinds of incredible information that only come to my newsletter subscribers. Thank you so much for watching The Beauty Shaman.